Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. I have Happy Meal. I am so blessed. I just can't say it enough. This doll community on YouTube is just unbelievably friendly and generous. I just cannot thank you enough. Who is this from? Tammy Powley. Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. I look up because it's like, oh God, let me say it right. Oh, wow. Oh wait, I think there's, let me check here. Okay, it was the tape. I thought I felt something there. I love this fabric. Tammy and I did a collab where we dressed one of our black dolls like Alice in Wonderland. This is the fabric, I believe, that Tammy used for her little Alice, and I thought then that it was the cutest. Oh my goodness. Look at the tea bags and the teacups. Oh, that is so cute. There is a note. Better get my glasses. Just to drive you crazy, I've altered my channel name to Peace Craft Dolls. LOL, I hope your dolls enjoy these little dresses, Tammy. Oh, I love it. Yes, Tammy did change the name of her channel, and hopefully I can say it better right. I am dyslexic. Darren laughs. I have trouble. Look at these. Peace sign. I am a child of the 60s. I was born in 1957, and when hippies were hippies, I was there. I was a little young. Let's see, Woodstock, was it 69 or 68? But I was in junior high, but we had a good time. Let me get some dolls. I started to dress my doll and I stopped and I'm looking how well made this is, and I thought, you know what, everyone's going to want to see this. Tammy is a seamstress. She doesn't just sew. She does absolutely beautiful work. Her finishing work is gorgeous, and adding the little flowers. I mean, these are just beautiful. And then she put on the snaps by hand. I watch my fingernails. Aren't these just, oh, I love them. And these two girls are going to have to stand together. I took her away from her horse so that she could try on a new summer dress, and now these two are going to stand together because tea, so cute. Aren't my girls adorable? Oh my goodness, they're ready for a tea party. I just love it. Tammy, thank you so much. My girls are not shoeless. They're barefoot for the summer. They're out having a good time in their cute new dresses. Oh, Tammy, they are so cute. We're going to link Tammy's channel in the description. Pop over and see the lovely things that she has and does with her dolls. The clothes she makes are incredible. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.